In this video, I will show you how to install IPTV Smarter Pro on Roku TV, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first of all, you have to enable the developer option on Roku TV. For that, press the following button in the same order on your remote, and once you do this, the developer option menu will appear on your Roku TV screen. Once done, you can just open it up and then write down the IP address listed on the screen. Make sure you write the select enable installer and then restart. Now scroll through the developer tool agreement and select I agree. Use the keyboard that appears to create a web server password. You will need this password for the last step, so make sure to create a legit one. Now select set password and reboot. After that, it will ask you IPTV Smarter channel. Simply head to your computer and navigate to myroku.com using any browser. There type your username and password for Roku account, then click submit. Once login, select add channel with a code under manage account and then type IPTV Smarter in the box. Now make sure you have typed it exactly as shown to add it to your Roku. Make sure you click on it. I'm not a robot. Then click on the add channel button and then select OK. Now click on the yes add channel button and then you will need to download the IPTV Smarter package. So head to the link here and download should start automatically. Simply save the IPTV Smarter package somewhere accessible on your computer. Once done, open your browser on your computer. Enter the IP address from your Roku and signal box will appear. Simply enter the Roku username and password to log in finally. Check on the sign in and then click on the upload. Next page, select the IPTV Smarter package you just download and upload it. The file upload on install button and it will look like now you return to your Roku device and IPTV Smarter will be on the television. Simply log in with your IPTV Smarter information and you are in.